Hi, Medina.
I'm Michelle.
You enter through the active listening room and are taken through a set of community agreements to establish that this is a space of belonging. We enter through the spawn point. A spawn point is a location where a participant enters the space. Multiple players can enter at the same spawn point.
If you enter the space alone, you can read asynchronously and explore space. If entering with another person, share the microphone. Listen with an intent to learn from diverse perspectives. Listen to each other actively and show empathy in the case of disagreements. The rug in this room generated on patterns that connect, and you can see them on the textures of the room and on its intimate furniture. It's a space to engage a sense of collective belonging, so a shared experience. Our intention is to create spaces of connections and to hold conversations. The domestic rug emerged from my own relationship to rugs of Azerbaijan, where space is reconfigured based on different rituals and bodies. The rug and its patterns as a cultural space creates a place of co-making and co-authorship.
The sphere in the ceiling is the portal to the next room. Portals here are the infrastructure of our metaverse. The dinner party room, a ritual of connection, sets a table around community agreements. Using the metaverse as a space to learn and discuss what it means to belong in the metaverse. We use the dinner party as a space of belonging or offering. Each plate is hyperlinked to text, rooms, or projects that support, extend, or challenge these agreements. Plates additionally serve spherical portals to the room collection. We propose a series of interconnected interiors generated by ongoing discussions and community agreements around belonging and rituals that connect us.
The virtual log file connects you to an ongoing Discord channel to join in conversations asynchronously, creating a digital presence and community if you enter the space alone.
We welcome diversity in our space. Use inclusive language to avoid assuming anyone's gender, race, or other personal characteristics. Shall we go, Medina?
Let's go. As we enter the BU room, you can see how we curate works that explores expanding identities in the metaverse and AI.
Create your own avatar. We celebrate the plurality of different digital identities and representation.
We acknowledge oppressions within the physical world on our expressions of our individual identities, and we seek to create a space of difference. We curate critical and emerging voices on the topics addressing cultural bias and identity.
Should we go to the digital presence room, Medina? Digital presence.
We aim to create a synchronous presence in this space, but the space will be mostly visited solely. We acknowledge that the space can feel lonely, not feeling like you are a part of a community. Leaving an object or resource can create a space of dialogue for future citizens to engage with. Plan a time to visit with an affinity group on the topic and gather around the rug for discussions.
And we can also take photos too. So leave an object in this persistent space to leave your digital trace and presence for any future citizen of the space to engage with.
You want to take a selfie, Michelle?
Yes. I'll come to you.
Weird.
Should we join in a conversation? Go to the last room?
Yes.
Okay. Join an ongoing conversation on emerging topics on radical inclusion within the metaverse. Join or create synchronous conversations, contribute freely to conversations, spaces through the chat.
Click the Discord channel to add text, link, or external resource. Bring a community to the space for a synchronous conversation on an emerging theme or question. Turn the mic on.